When your cold outreach isn't warming up leads, it'd be nice to know what emails are working for other companies. But even with that content on hand, you still need to find high-quality leads in your target market and get your emails past the spam folder. If only there was a platform that not only hand-delivered the perfect leads, but could also generate airtight email scripts and deliver them to the right inbox. And so today, I will discuss such a platform. So let's begin! The software I will discuss today is Omni.us. Omni.us is an email outreach platform that automates campaigns, writes email scripts, and boosts deliverability with warm-up software. Features: build your entire outbound flow in minutes. Increase your sales meetings by 38+ per month. Find the most up-to-date contact info from millions of leads in your target market. Let Omni.us write personalized email scripts based on proven email outreach templates. Check out your campaign performance to gain insights into which scripts are working best. Use the proprietary warm-up software so your emails get delivered to the right inbox every time, and more. Price: get access to millions of leads data for $49 per month. But they have 3 lifetime deals. License Tier 1, 1 Omni Outreach profile, 10,000 multi-channel touchpoints, email and SMS, connect unlimited email accounts and domains for $49 instead of $400. License Tier 2, 1 Omni Outreach profile, unlimited multi-channel touchpoints, email and SMS, connect unlimited email accounts and domains, and unlimited access to lead sharing and Omni leads for $179 instead of $650. And License Tier 3, 2 Omni Outreach profiles, unlimited multi-channel touchpoints, email and SMS, connect unlimited email accounts and domains, and unlimited access to lead sharing and Omni leads for $349 instead of $1,300. Features included in all plans: unlimited warm-up accounts, unlimited email addresses across unlimited unique domains, unlimited email warm-up so all your domains avoid spam filters, unlimited active leads across as many emails as you wish. Customer review: you will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 13 reviews on the Appsumo. G2 has only 1 review. And Product Hunt also has only 1 review. That means this is completely new software. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh wait, if you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.